Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Your Flow, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Michael.
Hello, Michael, and a big hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's so nice to be here with you again.
It's always great to have you here, Olivia. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very good, thank you. And you, Michael, how are you today?
I'm doing very well, too. I'm feeling fresh and happy, and I'm excited because today is Monday.
Monday. Michael, most people don't like Mondays. They feel tired after the weekend.
That's true, but Monday is special
Why is Monday special?
because we can talk about the weekend.
Ah, I understand. We can share stories. I love sharing stories.
Me too. And today we have a very useful topic for everyone listening.
Yes, today we are going to learn how to answer the question, how was your weekend?
That is a very common question. My coworkers ask me this every Monday morning.
My friends ask me the same thing. Hey, Olivia, how was your weekend?
Exactly. It's a great way to start a conversation. But sometimes it's hard to answer in English.
Yes, because we have to talk about the past.
Right. Things that already finished.
So today we will talk about our weekends and practice past tense verbs.
That sounds perfect.
But wait, before we start our stories, we have a small request for our listeners.
Yes, please. If you are enjoying our lessons, please subscribe to the Speak Your Flow channel.
And don't forget to give this episode a like. It really helps us.
Please also share it with your friends and family.
Learning English is better with friends.
Thank you so much, everyone. Now, are you ready to talk about the past, Olivia?
I'm ready.
Let's start with a simple question. Olivia, how was your weekend?
My weekend was very relaxing, Michael.
Oh, really? What did you do?
On Saturday morning, I stayed at home. I was very tired from work.
You stayed at home. Stayed. Listeners, did you hear that? Stay becomes stayed.
Yes, I stayed at home and I cleaned my room.
Cleaned. Another regular verb.
Then I washed my clothes and cooked lunch.
Washed. And cooked. Very good.
After that, I watched a movie on my laptop.
Watched. Watch plus ed.
Yes, I watched a romantic movie. It was very emotional.
Did you cry?
A little bit.
That sounds like a calm Saturday. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I went to my parents' house.
Went. That's an irregular verb. Go becomes went.
Yes, I went there in the morning. My mother cooked a big lunch.
And what did you eat?
I ate rice, chicken, and vegetables.
Ate. Eat becomes ate. Another irregular verb.
Yes, after lunch, I saw my cousins.
Saw. See becomes saw.
We talked for a long time and laughed a lot.
That sounds like a beautiful Sunday.
Now it's your turn, Michael. How was your weekend?
My weekend was very busy.
Busy. What did you do?
On Saturday morning, I woke up early and went to the gym.
Went. Again. Irregular.
Yes, I exercised for 1 hour and then I walked in the park.
Walked. Regular.
After that, I met my friend David.
Met. Meet becomes met.
Yes, we had coffee together.
Had. Have becomes had.
In the evening, I watched a football match on TV.
Watched. Good.
On Sunday, I went shopping.
Did you buy anything nice?
Yes, I bought a new shirt and a pair of shoes.
Bought. Buy becomes bought.
Then I came home and cooked dinner.
Cooked. Again. You really practiced many verbs this weekend.
Yes, after dinner, I felt very tired, so I slept early.
slept. Sleep becomes slept. Michael, can we explain something important to our listeners?
Yes, let's talk about the helper word did.
When we ask about the past, we often use did.
Yes, we say, where did you go? Not, where did you went?
But in the answer, we change the verb. I went to the park.
Exactly. Did you watch a movie? Yes, I watched a movie.
Very clear, very simple.
Olivia, I forgot to tell you something funny.
Oh, really? Tell me.
When I was walking in the park, I slipped and fell.
Oh no, you fell? Fall becomes fell.
Yes, I fell on the grass. My pants became dirty.
Were you okay?
Yes, I was okay, just a little embarrassed.
Did you clean your pants later?
Yes, I washed them at home.
Washed. Very good.
Now they are clean again.
There is one special verb I want to talk about. The verb read.
Yes, it looks the same in present and past.
In the present, we say read. In the past, we say read, like the color red.
For example, I read a book yesterday.
English is funny sometimes.
Yes, but that's why it's interesting.
Michael, let me practice with you.
Go ahead.
What did you eat on Sunday?
I ate pasta.
Did you go outside on Sunday?
Yes, I went shopping.
What did you watch on TV?
I watched a football match.
Perfect. You're doing great.
Now it's your turn, dear listeners.
We want you to practice too.
Please answer this question in the comments. How was your weekend?
You can write 1 or 2 sentences.
For example, I stayed at home and watched a movie. Or, I went to the park and met my friend.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Just try.
We love reading your comments. Olivia, can I ask you one more question about your weekend?
Of course, Michael. You can ask me anything.
Did you use your phone a lot on the weekend?
Yes, I did. I used my phone quite a lot.
What did you use it for?
I watched short videos, replied to messages, and talked to my friends.
Talked. Talk becomes talked.
Yes. But I didn't use my phone on Sunday night
Oh, really? Why not?
because I wanted to sleep early and rest my eyes.
That's a very good habit.
Michael, can we explain negative sentences in the past?
Yes, that's very important.
To make a negative sentence, we use did not or didn't.
For example, I didn't go outside. I didn't eat fast food.
Notice that after didn't, we use the base form of the verb.
Not past form.
So we say, I didn't go, not I didn't went.
Very good point. Olivia, what did you do on Saturday night?
On Saturday night, I stayed at home.
Stayed again. Good.
I made some tea and sat by the window.
Made. Make becomes made.
It was raining outside. I listened to soft music.
Listened. Listen becomes listened.
I read a book for about 1 hour.
Read. Same spelling, different sound.
Yes. After that, I felt sleepy and went to bed.
Michael, did you wake up early on Sunday?
No, I didn't wake up early.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 10 in the morning.
Wow, that's late.
Yes, I was very tired, so I slept a lot.
Slept. Again. Perfect practice.
After waking up, I didn't feel like working.
So what did you do?
I lay on my bed and checked my phone.
Lay. Lie becomes lay.
Michael, can you teach our listeners how to ask with how long?
Sure. We ask, how long did you, when we want to know time?
How long did you sleep on Sunday?
I slept for almost 9 hours.
How long did you stay at the gym on Saturday?
I stayed there for 1 hour. Let me tell you about a small mistake I made on Sunday.
Oh, I love mistake stories. Tell me.
I went to the market to buy vegetables.
Went. Again.
Yes, I took my wallet, but I forgot to take enough money.
Forgot. Forget becomes forgot.
When I reached the shop, I realized my mistake.
Realized. Very good word.
I was embarrassed, but the shopkeeper was kind.
What did he do?
He allowed me to take the vegetables and pay later.
That was very nice of him. Listeners, you can use because to explain reasons.
For example, I stayed at home because it was raining.
I didn't go outside because I felt tired.
Simple and powerful.
Michael, let's do a quick practice for our listeners.
Good idea.
Listeners, repeat after me. I woke up early on Saturday.
I didn't go to work on Sunday.
I watched a movie last night.
I met my friend in the evening.
Great job, everyone.
Now let's talk about using the word last.
We say last night, last week, last weekend.
For example, last weekend I visited my parents.
Last night, I watched a movie.
Olivia, do you remember how you spent your weekends as a child?
Yes, I do. When I was a child, my weekends were very joyful.
What did you usually do?
I played outside with my friends.
Played. Very nice.
We ran, we laughed, and we shared snacks.
Shared. Share becomes shared.
In the evening, my mother called me home.
Called. Call becomes called.
Do you miss those days?
Yes, I miss them a lot.
What do you miss the most?
I miss the simple happiness and freedom.
That's very touching.
Olivia, learners often make mistakes when speaking about the past.
Yes, like saying, I go to the market yesterday.
The correct sentence is, I went to the market yesterday.
Another mistake is, did you went there?
Correct is, did you go there?
Dear listeners, we have a small challenge for you.
Write 3 sentences about your last weekend.
Use one regular verb
Use 1 irregular verb.
and use one sentence with didn't.
Learning English takes time.
But every small practice makes you better.
Even 1 sentence a day can change your confidence.
And mistakes are part of learning. Michael, now our time is truly finished.
Yes, today's lesson was long but very helpful.
We talked about weekends, past tense, mistakes, and practice.
Thank you for staying with us till the end.
Please remember to subscribe to Speak Your Flow.
Like this video and share it with someone who is learning English.
Keep practicing and never give up.
We will see you again in the next episode.
Until then, take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now.